calling. There's other things I can do, but this is what I should do.
Wake up, face existence. Days like years, months, minutes, 27 cycles. I've been part of the changes. My knife in the tree of life, carve a name in canyons and rains. Floods through the plains, blood pumping my veins. We are one and the same, like the waves when they break, or the earth as it shakes. The fate we create from our birth to the grave. Make no mistake, soldier, we're all mortal. Woven in moments, the flow move us forward. I hold my breath and dive to new depths. I thrive on the edge of what life arrives next. Sacrifice the excess, invest in my freedom. Read these seasons, rings on a tree stump. Freezing fingertips, bitter like the winter's lips. Kiss of the wilderness, where the inner spirit live. I navigate the infinite, passionately interested. That kid who's taking stabs at what the maximum of limits is. And if you think it's new, I suggest you dig farther. Find yourself a garden, plant those thoughts where the stars are. And if those heartless sharks see compassion of the angels, and mangle every rainbow to the color bleach to gray tones. All be in my same flow, cradled in the desolate, invested forever, asking the same questions. Who am I? A child inside a lifeline. Time gone by, but the time is I. Who are you? A view that I will not perceive, but all that exists in you is in me. Who are we? The seasons ingrained in the hardship, the product of darkness, the monster that's conscious. Us, a taste of the dust, the way of the one from our old to the young. Sing, who am I? The wicked and the wise intertwined. The third eye vision to reside in the mind. Who am I? The flicker in the fire, the cry of the beast who derived from the wild, not confined. Who am I? The rise of the tide, the silence of night that will swallow the light just to thrive. Who am I? I am alive. I have survived in time.
We ended up catching the flood, and we got the run. Sick. Peace out.
Flying a blind dream, I breathe my spirit on beats, let it define me and speak clarity. Mountain stream on a high peak, my life at light speed, moving through the mayhem, consumed in the day-to-day patience. They say it's age and afraid, cause it's painfully murderous. What the verdict is, impermanence, returning into the earth again. I merge with the current, kill serpents and reign victorious. Modern day war